Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to finish up our week with the Flowers Fair and Family Ties stamp sets using this really pretty gatefold card. I have put some Floral Charm Designer Series paper on the inside here just to make it a little interesting. This I colored in with Berry Burst and Pretty in Pink, and then used Daffodil Delight. And the centers of these flowers are Blackberry Bliss. And then I just colored some of the iridescent foil gems. And then that's what the inside looks like. So I've already done all the coloring for this one, but I will show you how the construction works. This is a standard 8.5 by 11 cut across the middle to 5.5. And then I've scored at 2 1/8. So that's 2 1/8. So it meets in the middle. And then I've colored a 5 1/4 by 4 that will go on the inside. And then this piece is a 5 1/4 by 4 that I'm going to cut in half at 2 inches. To create the doors on the gatefold card. Okay. And these colors are Balmy Blue, dark and light here, and I've got a Balmy Blue card base, and then Highland Heather, light and dark, and I stamped it, this one I stamped in in Mossy Meadow, used the whole stamp on the Mossy Meadow. This one I did with Granny Apple Green, and then I colored the leaves with Lemon Lime Twist. So, and then the centers are the Daffodil Delight. So I thought I wouldn't make you watch me do all the coloring. So I've colored it in already, and I just wanted to show you how I put it together. I've stamped the greeting, have a lovely, and then added day to the end of it on a 1/2 inch piece of basic white, and then just cut it at an angle. And then I just put dimensionals on the back, and the one piece will overlap the other piece on the front. There we go. And this is, if you wanted that full border all the way around, you would need to cut this at 1 7/8. What this gives us is a super skinny margin on each side here, and then just the skinny margin in the middle. So then I'm just going to dimensionalize my greeting, and again, have a lovely day. It could be any kind of day, and you can just choose where you want to put your greeting. I'm just going to pop that one there like that. This one, I've put the dimensionals closer to the middle because it will overlap a little bit on the other flap or door, and I don't want it to adhere down there. So I'm just going to pop this down like this. So that is super easy. The coloring, you can make it whatever color you want. And I tried this on a Highland Heather background and thought it was too much Highland Heather. So that's why I went with the Balmy Blue, and I think it makes these flowers really pop. So that is our final card using Flowers Fair and Family Ties. So we've got the Berry Burst version with the Old Olive on the leaves and Mossy Meadow being the stamp. And then we've got the one we just did on the video with Balmy Blue base, Granny Apple Green for the stamp, and then Lemon Lime Twist for the green, Highland Heather for the large flowers, and then the Balmy Blue for the smaller flowers. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this week's worth of videos, and let's create together again soon.